Imagine a platform that has taskers on demand, always meeting you with the best matching person for your task. A platform that's a breeze to use. That's jobNinja for you. Its quick search feature enables you to see how many taskers are available around you instantly. No more guessing. But that's not all. jobNinja values your time and effort. Hence, it offers a unique feature of voice descriptions. Just speak your mind, describe your tasks, and let jobNinja do the rest. Communication is key in any hiring process. Recognizing this, jobNinja provides a state-of-the-art chat interface. Share documents, images, discuss details, and award jobs, complete and rate all in one place. And to make your decision-making process easier, you can shortlist taskers, view their profiles and ratings, and award the task to the best, all in one centralized interface. When it comes to pricing, jobNinja stands out from the crowd. The app is entirely free for the client, with no hidden commissions. And guess what? We don't charge commissions from taskers either. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. jobNinja also boasts over 100 job categories, covering the most sought-after jobs, making it easier than ever to find the right tasker. It's an app designed for all homeowners, offering a convenient way to locate handymen for repairs and maintenance, find taskers for lawn mowing and garden upkeep, and discover cleaners to ensure your home stays sparkling clean. Whether you're hosting a party or simply need household services, we've got you covered. Business owners will immediately be drawn to jobNinja. They can swiftly hire workers ranging from waiters and helpers to storekeepers. With jobNinja, there's no need to maintain extra staff. Simply hire them as needed. The platform focuses on taskers closer to your location, ensuring convenience and timely completion of tasks. And to ensure fairness and avoid disputes, jobNinja introduces the mutual timer. The timer is initiated by the tasker and accepted by the client. Moreover, taskers can obtain consent from the client, thereby adding a layer of legality to the process. The Tasker app is designed to make finding clients and collaboration a smooth process. With a central calendar showcasing due tasks from the platform and the flexibility for taskers to add their own tasks, it's a true game changer. With over 100 job types to select from, there's opportunity regardless of your skill level. So why wait? Embrace the future of tasking, download jobNinja client app today, and consider your next task done. Or if you're a ninja at heart, download the Tasker app and get right into business. Welcome to the world of hassle-free tasking with jobNinja. jobNinja. Quick, simple, done.